In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can add subdomains to your hosting or website. Now, many people forget to mention this, but in order to be able to add subdomains to your hosting or website, you will need to have a hosting or hosting plan, and you will need to have connected a custom domain to your website. Now, from the Edge panel, if you scroll down, you will see your business, and here we can just click on dashboard. Once you select the dashboard, then from the left hand side, you will see domains. Click on it to expand it, and the very first option is going to be subdomains. Click on subdomains, and here you can create a new subdomain for your currently linked domain. So I'm going to do a blog as an example, and you also can create a custom folder for the subdomain. Afterwards, you will click on create, and if it's supported, then you will be able to create a subdomain that way. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.